The onion is one of the most common vegetables, and it is one of the oldest food known to the human race. They are found in nearly every major dish in some form. Let's start our top 5 facts about onion are totally awesome. Number 5. Used to clean metal items. If you need to clean up some silverware or other metals around your home, onions may be the unexpected solution. Onions are actually effective in removing light rust marks from thin pieces of metal such as silverware and knives. Rust can easily be removed from these metals by simply sticking them into an onion and allowing them to rest there for a few hours. Then remove the metal from the onions and rinse the metal as you normally would. Then toss that onion since it now is full of rust. Onions can also be used to clean the grates of your outdoor grill. The onion method for cleaning a grill is the green and safe way to successfully remove the grime from your grill. Start by turning the grill on high for a few minutes to heat up the grates. Cut an onion in half and rub the cut side down along the grates in a scrubbing fashion. Just don't forget the grill is still hot. Number 4. Cures injuries and boosts blood circulation. Poor circulation affects several people through many causes and conditions. Medications are usually used to help treat poor circulation, but eating certain food can also improve blood flow. Onions are one of these foods that people with poor circulation can benefit from. They are an excellent source of flavonoid antioxidants and improve circulation by widening your veins and arteries when blood flow increases. A 30-day study in men also proved that onion extract greatly improved blood flow after meals in men that participated. Not only do onions help with blood flow, but they have also proven to help fight against minor injuries. Onions serve as a natural remedy for minor cuts and scrapes. Take half of an onion and crush it in a blender, and then apply it to a wound for about 20 minutes. You can apply this to a wound up to 3 times daily. Number 3. Sliced onions are not poisonous. A widely circulating claim states that raw, cut onion absorb bacteria, making leftover onions highly poisonous. According to this claim, it would be dangerous to cut an onion and cook it the next day. The overall gist of this claim was to stay far away from cut onion because the bacteria could be dangerous and poisonous. But this claim is actually false. Onions that are properly handled are not to be considered poisonous. Cut onion can even be stored in the fridge in a sealed container for up to 7 days. The chemical makeup of onions does not support the growth of bacteria. Because they have a low pH and low protein content, that is not an ideal breeding ground for virus and germs. It's simply a myth, and onion can be enjoyed as long as you follow safe food practices. Number 2. Predict the severity of winter. Would not it be lovely if we could actually predict the weather? Apparently, all you need are some onions to know what to expect during the winter. People once believed that an onion skin could predict the severity of winter. A thick skin predicted a rough winter, while a thin skin meant a milder winter was coming. An old folklore rhyme is evidence that our ancestors believed in this method. Onion skins very thin, mild winter coming in. Onion skin thick and tough, coming winter cold and rough. This method of predicting the weather only works with onion from a garden, because store-bought onions could have been grown elsewhere. Go study some locally grown onions so you can sound smart in front of friends and family by accurately predicting the upcoming winter. Number 1. They really do make you cry. We cry about death, breakups, violence, and even the happiest of memories. But an onion has a way of bringing tears too. The vegetable makes us teary-eyed because a reaction in the onion releases a chemical into the air that irritates our eyes. The chemical is called lacrimatory factor. Simply peeling an onion won't cause tears, but expect them to start pouring if you chop, cut, or crush them. There are a few ways to protect yourself from a tear attack though. A freshly sharp knife will cut quickly and preciously through an onion, causing less breakage and tear drops. Onion can also be peeled and soaked in water to flush away some of the chemical compounds, but you also take the chance of flushing away some of the flavors. There is no guaranteed way to avoid the weeping, so you might as well enjoy a good cry. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.